Yeah, guys, so this is my 2005 Ram 1500 locked engine. It got a 4.7 in there. Actually, for you guys to build this one with me, this is where I'm at so far. Pretty easy truck to work on. You guys probably seen a ton of these videos, but you already know anything we're doing here is for the low. So yeah, guys, remove the intake planning, remove all the accessories off the front. Everybody should get do this. This is just an engine replacement. I'm gonna do it. Not too bad. $1,000. Yeah, guys, this is what we got. I'm gonna take the engine out today. Needs 4 new tires. Or some of this little parts that come off that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for the low. You already know. We got this 2006 Durango right here that I'm gonna get this 4.7 out of. This one got the EGR. I'm gonna block that off. My truck doesn't have that. I'm gonna put it in my Ram truck. That's my old engine. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much a DIY. As you know, I do everything for the low DIY. Hey guys, good morning, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be another good one, guys. I got something interesting. Look, y'all missed some, but I'ma fill y'all in. I'm working on a 2001, 2002 Ram 1500. Yeah. The thing is, I bought a newer truck, a 05, as you can see behind me, the Durango. Sorry about that, I got my cinematic out. But yeah, the tone gear was different. So what I did is put the donor engine down, get the tone gear off my old engine to put on the donor engine, and also the cam gear. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna put the crank back in. I'm also gonna change the piston ring also. So that's what we're into, guys. And yeah. All right, welcome back to the channel, guy. You know, everything we do here is for the low. And listen, man, you guys ain't subscribing to the channel. I got 10,000 views, 9,000 views, 4,000 views. Bro, y'all need to subscribe. I'm gonna have good things for y'all next year for all my subscribers. Now, my 1,000 subscribers gonna get something great. You feel what I'm saying? So, yo, y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, this is what I'm talking about right here. This tone gear right here. This gear come on this engine right here. But the thing is, this is a 30-something tooth. The one that came on my truck is actually a 16 tooth. So my truck wouldn't spark for nothing. So I ended up got to take it out, and that's because I didn't do my research first. If I did do my research first, I probably would just do it before I put it in. But yeah, this is where we're at. And the process of taking the crank out to get to the part I needed, this piston actually came out. This is the first one that go on the crank right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna pull all of these pistons out and do the rings on them. So that's what I'm gonna do first thing this morning. Do the piston rings. We're gonna see how that go. Alrighty, guys, stay tuned. Alright, welcome back, guys. So what I'm gonna try to do right now is just attempt to take the piston back out from the bottom of the engine. One of them did came out, as I said earlier, and I put it back up there. But the thing is, when I was trying to put it up there first, I was trying to use my screwdriver to kind of get the piston ring in and broke one. I tried to get one from salvage one from my old engine, but it didn't work, so I ended up buying some new one. So what I'm gonna do right now is attempt to take these pistons back out from the bottom and re-rings them and put them back up. I got the right tool this time, so hopefully that worked for me. If not, I'm gonna have to do the gasket and all that good stuff, which I'm not trying to do. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna attempt to take it out. I'm gonna just do one out and one in and show you guys how I do it, and that should be good. The rest of them you got to do them the same way. And also, guys, what you want to make sure just do them one at a time, so you don't misplace them. And I'm gonna clean it up with gas, and then I'm gonna use brake cleaner, clean it off, and then what I'm gonna do is put the rings on, and then I'm gonna iron it up, and then put it back up in the sleeve. So stay tuned with me, guys. I got new timing chain to put on it too, and I'm gonna wash the engine a little bit. Possibly I'm gonna go get me some new valve cover gasket, and I'll put on it too. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I take it out. All right, guys. Sorry if y'all can't see it too good, but what I'm basically gonna do is just pretty much work it all the way back down. Just work it. You don't want to damage the guys. It's coming, but it's coming slow because I'm pulling at it. I actually did have the crank and it was coming out, so it was much easier. Plus I'm sitting down right now. I don't want to scratch my hand, so what I'm gonna do, get me a better glove just in case my hand hit right here, because everything on the engine is sharp, guys. Here's my gloves, guys. Here's my glove right here that I'm looking for. First, when I get this engine, it was smoking. When I first cranked it up and down the truck, it was smoking a little bit. I'm not too sure which one of the cylinder is bad, but I'm gonna try change everything. Piston right here. So what we do, I'm gonna change these rings. That's what we're gonna do, guys. These are the rings right here. Fish it off like that. basically take them off like this, guys, and what we're gonna do is just clean these pistons up real good and nice before we put them back in. And we're gonna do them one at a time. Alright. Alright there. Alright, back, guys. It was a little bit tight, but I got the crank back in. I got the bottom plate back on. I'm gonna torque it up right now. I'm gonna start from the inside out. I'm not even sure the numbers, but inside out work. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and work your way up. And as for the other ones, you're gonna torque them too. These are the most important ones, the middle ones. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. And as I say, guys, I'm doing this like I'm a Pakistan or something. We work outside. That's how I do it in Jamaica too. So this ain't new to me. I'm gonna clean the engine up real good when I'm done. But so far so good. I got the piston in. Just start it up, put the oil pan back on, and I'm gonna do the timing and stuff like that. Alright guys, stay tuned. Update guys, this is the truck running after I finished rebuilding the engine. To show y'all this is official. I'm gonna need some pulley, but for the most part, I've been driving the truck, guys. It's old school. To do everything.
I want to mix my kids, my rabbit dealer, Whitney dealer, at Garage Crawford.
So yeah, guys, this is her right here. We run. Engine turn out good. It's steaming right now. First pull with the 59 47. Take this Durango, put down the engine to the junkyard. That's where we're headed. Straight stopper.